Step into the world of Classic Army Airsoft Guns, where tradition and innovation merge to create exceptional firearms replicas. Known for their attention to detail, quality craftsmanship, and reliable performance, Classic Army Airsoft Guns bring the thrill of tactical simulations to life. Engage in intense battles with confidence using these iconic and reliable airsoft guns. Number 5. Classic Army ARRS 312. An advanced and versatile airsoft rifle that sets the standard for performance and precision. This AAG automatic electric gun is engineered for excellence and designed for success on the field. The Classic Army ARRS 312 features a sturdy construction with a full metal body, ensuring durability and authenticity. Its powerful gearbox and high-torque motor deliver impressive firepower and consistent shooting performance. The ARRS 312's adjustable hop-up system enables precise shot placement, allowing you to hit targets with exceptional accuracy. With its modular design and compatibility with a wide range of accessories, the ARRS 312 offers endless customization options to suit your style of play. Whether you're engaging in intense battles or providing long-range support, the Classic Army ARRS 312 is the ultimate choice for serious airsoft enthusiasts. Equip yourself with the Classic Army ARRS 312 and dominate the airsoft field with confidence. Number 4. Classic Army K870 Breacher Shotgun. A formidable weapon that dominates close-quarters battles on the airsoft field. This pump-action shotgun combines power, reliability, and versatility in one sleek package. The Classic Army K870 Breacher features a durable metal and polymer construction, providing both strength and lightweight maneuverability. Its realistic shell-ejecting action adds an extra level of authenticity to your gameplay. With its adjustable hop-up system, the K870 Breacher delivers accurate shots, ensuring you hit your targets with precision. The shotgun's compact size and tactical design make it ideal for navigating tight spaces and engaging opponents at close range. Whether you're breaching doors or clearing rooms, the Classic Army K870 Breacher Shotgun is your trusted companion for intense airsoft skirmishes. Arm yourself with the K870 Breacher and experience the power and thrill of close-quarters combat. Number 3. Classic Army M132 Vehicle Mounting Kit. A game-changing accessory that brings unstoppable firepower to the battlefield. Designed for military simulation and airsoft enthusiasts, this kit allows you to mount the Classic Army M132 micro gun onto various vehicles for enhanced combat capabilities. The vehicle mounting kit features a sturdy and adjustable mounting system, ensuring secure attachment to different platforms. With the M132 micro gun installed, you unleash an unrivaled barrage of BBs, providing suppressive fire and dominating the opposition. The kit's versatile design and compatibility make it suitable for a range of vehicles, from ground vehicles to airsoft gun trucks. Whether you're engaging in large-scale scenarios or tactical operations, the Classic Army M132 Vehicle Mounting Kit gives you an unprecedented advantage on the field. Equip your vehicles with the M132 micro gun and seize control of the battlefield. Number 2. Classic Army ISSC Make 22. A versatile and reliable airsoft rifle that delivers both performance and realism. Inspired by its real steel counterpart, this AAG automatic electric gun offers an authentic shooting experience. The Classic Army ISSC Make 22 features a durable polymer construction, providing a lightweight yet robust platform. Its powerful gearbox and high-torque motor ensure consistent and rapid firing, while the adjustable hop-up system enhances accuracy. With its ambidextrous controls, adjustable stock, and integrated rail system, the Make 22 offers comfort and customization options to suit your preferences. Whether you're engaging targets on the field or honing your skills at the range, the Classic Army ISSC Make 22 delivers exceptional performance and reliability. Step up your airsoft game with the Classic Army ISSC Make 22 and experience the thrill of tactical precision. Number 1. Classic Army M24 LTR. A precision airsoft sniper rifle that redefines long-range accuracy and performance. This bolt-action rifle is designed for the discerning marksman who demands unmatched precision on the field. The Classic Army M24 LTR features a durable full-metal construction, providing both strength and authenticity. Its powerful spring-powered system delivers consistent and powerful shots, ensuring excellent range and accuracy. The adjustable hop-up system allows for precise fine-tuning to optimize your shot trajectory. With its ergonomic stock and comfortable grip, the M24 LTR offers exceptional stability and control, whether you're engaging targets from a distance or providing overwatch for your team. The Classic Army M24 LTR is the ultimate choice for sniper enthusiasts. Take your airsoft game to new heights with the Classic Army M24 LTR and dominate the field with precision and confidence.